Now that the Anaheim 1 Supercross is in the rearview mirror, it's time to set our sights on round number 2 in Oakland, California. And this year, the Oakland Supercross is a little extra special, not just because of its history that dates back to 1979, but this is the first round of the premier qualifiers for the Supercross Futures. The Supercross Futures is a program designed to help aspiring Supercross racers to get a feel for racing on real Supercross tracks without the pressure of actually having to compete against the pros. The country was divided up into 6 regions: the South Central, the Northeast, the West, the South, the Northwest, and the Southwest. Each region had its own primary qualifier and premier qualifier races. 22 riders would advance out of each primary qualifying race and be invited to participate into a premier qualifying race at a Supercross race in their region. Out of those premier races, 4 riders would advance from each region, and 24 riders would compete at the Supercross Futures AMA National Championship on May 7th at Rice-Eccles Stadium in Salt Lake City, Utah. That's going to present some great opportunities to a lot of really talented young riders. Man, it kind of makes me wish I wasn't an old fart. And remember, until next time, never quit playing in the dirt.